what is in the job. So we talked about needs earlier. A job to be done isn't a need, right? A need is something like, I need to eat. My need is I want to eat, but the circumstances may change drastically. If I'm on a hurry and I need to get from point A to point B ASAP, but I need to eat before getting there, my circumstances are very different, and I'm probably going to pick something that's very quick, that is very cheap. A very completely different scenario is I'm also in the look for a pizza place, but say I'm on a date with someone who I'm trying to impress. That completely changes because my circumstances are shaping my particular job, and therefore the solutions that I'm considering are completely different. I want a more fancy restaurant. I want to sit down. See how those circumstances completely change, even though at the end of the day, the solution looked very similar. It was a slice of pizza that I was seeking, but the circumstances changed completely.